Hello, I'm Jake from DigitalOcean, here to discuss how to use do-disposable. Do-disposable is a great tool to use when you need to start a droplet quickly to perform an action that would otherwise take a long time or potentially drop out on your local machine. For example, something that's CPU or bandwidth heavy. Firstly, you'll want to head over to the releases page at github.com/do-community/do-disposable. If you're on Windows, you'll then want to save the PS1 file from the latest release to a place you can easily access. From here, you'll want to go to the location of this file, right-click it and select Run with PowerShell. The rest of this process will be automated, so you can simply just press any key to exit when it is done. If you're on Linux, you'll want to download the sh file for the latest release and save it to a place where you can easily open your terminal in. From here, you'll want to simply give the script execution rights by running chmod +x followed by the name of the file. When you have done this, you can simply type the name of the script into the terminal. You'll be prompted for your password, which, when given, will install do-disposable. If you're on macOS, you'll want to download the sh file for the latest release. From here, you'll want to cd to the directory where this is saved and type chmod 777 followed by the script name. From here, you can type the name of the script. You'll be prompted for your password, which, when given, will install do-disposable. Now we have covered how to install the tool, let's cover the usage of the tool. The first command you'll want to run after installation is do-disposable auth. You'll firstly be prompted for your DigitalOcean personal access token. You can get this from your DigitalOcean project by going over to API, clicking Generate New Token next to Personal Access Tokens, and giving the token a name. From here, you can simply paste this key into do-disposable. After the key has been automatically verified, you'll be asked to pick your region and droplet size. Don't worry, you can change this later. The tool will then generate an SSH key and setup will be complete. In this scenario, we are going to get an item from a 1GB dataset. 1GB will take a long time to download on some connections, and the extracting of that on some systems will take a while. So this example will greatly benefit someone who rapidly needs a file from a dataset. To start, we run do-disposable up. This creates a droplet and attaches the console to it. From here we can just get the file using the droplet. Since we're in a Linux environment, we can just use wget to do this. Compared to the user having to use their own connection, this may be significantly faster. We can then extract the file. Doing this on a droplet rather than the host system helps to save battery life on laptops and can be significantly faster on older systems. Now we have all the content extracted, we can simply cd to the folder that contains the dataset. In there, we can get the file we want and we can use the copy back command to copy it back to the host. The copy back command essentially takes the file you specify and puts it in the folder where you ran do-disposable. After we've done this, we can type exit, which will end up destroying the droplet. We have now successfully extracted a picture of the dog from the Stanford's dataset. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use do-disposable.